Hey guys, it's Modular Mike. I'm up here at Waymart, a house we just put down 9 days ago. We're gonna take a tour in the house. I told you in 10 days, I should have the inside completed. It's about there. So let's go inside and take a look. So we're 9 days in on this Waymart house. I told you in 10 days we'd have the whole inside done. Like I said, we're 9 days in. If you remember, this is where the house met down the whole line. So in the doorways and the 2 bedrooms, that's where they were married. This house is where it was married, right here. If you remember, this is all wide open. We had to drywall it, frame around it. We had to complete the floor on this side of the house. On one side of the house is done in the factory. We do the other side because we don't want any transition strips going down the middle. That's a no-no for us, so we don't do that. So they drywalled this. You remember how it was. Same thing here. And then we drywalled through the doorways. So if you remember in the video, which I'm going to show you anyway, this is where the house was married, right? We had to finish it, drywall it. The floors were done on this side, and then we had to finish all the floors in the room, which we did. They're finished. So this is 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. This is the master bedroom. We put the ceiling fan in for him. He has a nice big walk-in closet over there. And then we have the bathroom over here. Here we are in the master bath. Beautiful bathroom. Toilet goes here, shower's done, linen closet. We had to finish all the flooring in here. There's the mirror, the lights are up. Nice sized cabinets, soft close of course. Awesome. So over here, this is where he has his washer and dryer. Go right in here. Very easy for him. He's got the 2 bedrooms and his master bedroom right there. And here is the 2nd bathroom. Full vanity, full bathtub in here, toilet. Like I said, this is his dream home. These are his options, and it came out really nice.